We come together once a year to bring to Seattle something that's bigger than all of us individually, and that promotes all of our work that we do in reconciliation, justice, and love to follow King's banners, but to do that as a community for the greater Seattle community. I think that's been meaningful for me, to help facilitate this group of community partners that can do something together that's bigger than ourselves, and to set a stage where we really honor um, elders in the African American community, and the honor the work of Dr. King and what happened in the civil rights movement. We're very excited to in our education award to honor the ACES Leadership Academy. And ACES Leadership Academy was founded by C.J. Dancer, Marcus Harden, and Willie Seals, three young men that I have a lot of respect for, that are pioneering work in education for our community and really for young Black men in the neighborhood. We're also honoring Roger Rieger, a man that has done work to support the development of African American young men for years, scholarship funds and special project funds that they've done to really grow and develop young Black men. And he's done it just as an individual business owner. He's a developer, a property developer, apartment owner, and has a family foundation called the Tudor Foundation that it really has invested in Black men throughout Seattle. And it's just exciting to honor him. And the last is we're honoring a community member. And lastly, we're honoring our community leadership award is going to Isaiah Anderson, who both has developed an organization called Brothers United, as well as is a co-founder of Acts on Stage. This year, we're bringing in a speaker that is from Portland. His name is Eric Knox, and he runs a nonprofit mentoring program, Hala Mentoring, in Portland, Oregon, and we're very excited to bring him to town. This year's breakfast is special also because it's Inauguration Day. And in the divisive politics that we've been experiencing this year, and how the election has gone, and then how our community is torn a bit, we're focusing on unity. Our theme this year is "If My People," referencing the Second Chronicles passage, that if my people who were called by my name will humble themselves and pray. So we feel like unity is the call for us in this year's breakfast. And we really want to see ourselves come together across party lines, across ethnic lines, across church lines, across East Side and West Side Seattle, and really bring the community together to focus on what we can do better together and how we can be unified across multiple divisions and lines, and with each sector of society as well.